Ladies and gentlemen, I'm here live at the church I play for, and this is one of the most amazing thing that happened in my life. I just got the Studiologic MP-117 bass pedal. This is a MIDI bass pedal for any combo organ like the Hammond XK1 that I have so far. To all the keyboard players and the other musicians who play keyboards and organ, if y'all happen to have this Studiologic MP-117 bass pedal, if y'all happen to have this kind of bass pedal, please take the time and make sure that you sit around and play around with it for a while in order to get the grasp of this. But first, make sure you have the right adapter and the right prong to hook to the power surge, so that way your bass pedal can work right. And after that, make sure you MIDI out of the channel to get the bass pedal sound coming out with your foot and into your combo organ MIDI in bass pedal. I would say MIDI in 1 for the pedals, so that way you can control the sound with one of the drawbars. So it's because I'm about to show you. Go to pedal, make sure you hit the pedal button on one of your combo organ and go to your menu. When you say drawbar, number 1, preset, 2, number 3, tone, or tune, tune is number 3, control is number 4. Go to drawbar, go to number 1 for drawbar, and they'll give you the option. When you see lower and the upper, instead of using the lower upper, go to pedal and make sure you got it on the right volume. Like I had it on mute. This one's on mute. When I first turned this organ on, I used the plus and minus button to change the sound either to normal, but when I wanted more bass, I went to sync 1 to get more bass sound so it can balance. And for the attack, excuse my hand, my phone, it went a little too far to the right. For the attack, I use max click. And hit the right button. For DK, make sure you want to keep it on C. Sustain, I use off, and keep it on going up to 5, and velocity, keep it off. For the mode, I will use mono, just in case if I use the manual bass. For synth bass. But this time, I don't really need it. Now back to play on this Hammond XK1. I go back to pedal and I pull that wide 8 foot for the bass pedal, because to tell you the truth, the bass operates a little different. But when you use the left, it sounds muddy. But to be on the same side, use the white one instead of this brown one for the pedal. But first, I meant to say first, if you want the bass pedal on, hit this MIDI channel button and make sure you hold it with the right foot for a few seconds and then press this E flat bass key to get the sound. That's what I meant to tell you. And then go on the upper. Make sure the drawbars are set however you want it. And I'm about to play some tunes. If you excuse me so I can get the right view. Oh man, I pressed the wrong key, but that's okay. Hopefully it don't go out. just a demonstration.